Hey everyone, Christopher here with another Shop Time video. In today's video, my friend Lisa joins me as we remanufacture the shifter boot for her Scion. Hope you enjoy the video.
So I received this picture with a Facebook message that said, "Hey Chris, I've got a video idea for you." So of course, I enlist Lisa in helping with the project. The first task I give her is to remove the old hardware from the old boot. Yes, Minion came to investigate. With the hardware removed and the pieces split in half along the seam, I trace the pieces onto some upholstery leather scrap that I have. Then I add a seam allotment, extend it because she's using a shorter shifting knob, and then start the process of cutting out the pieces. I do one last cut so that I can get the pieces approximately the same size. Don't pay too close of attention here. This is actually my first time having ever used this or any sewing machine. I use wood weld contact cement to attach the leather to the retention ring. Also note that I'm putting leather scraps between my clips and the finished leather to prevent damage and marring. Once again, Minion the supervisor has to come and make sure I'm doing everything correctly. With the gluing complete, next comes the dyeing. For this I'm using Fiebing's Pro Dye Black. It's getting applied with a wool dauber, and then just to make sure I completely get the stitching seam dyed properly, I'm using just a regular Q-tip to get into the groove. I had Lisa help inspect everything to make sure nothing was missed. I hope you've enjoyed this episode of Shop Time on the Crosscut Crafters channel. Special thanks to Lisa for bringing me this project and helping out on camera. Special thanks to Blake for helping out behind the camera. And special thanks to you, the viewer. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to help this channel grow.